Hello, I am Oliver Akanobe, an undergraduate student majoring accounting at the University of Lagos. Okay, I have heard about the FMA Academic at a summit organized by CFA 2023 December. So I went there. That was the first time I heard about financial modeling. Okay, my primary motive for enrolling in the Financial Modeling Academy was to develop a highly sought after skill in financial modeling, which is highly and increasingly demanded by employers in the financial sector. Also, I aim to achieve global recognition in this industry by mastering the essential technical competence. Like I said earlier, my expectation was to gain as an experience and acquire in-demand skills and be globally recognized. Yes, actually, I had a doubt when I called and I was asked to pay, and I was told to pay $150 for a skill that was thousands of dollars. I was like, oh, I'm not wasting my money. So when I called, I had the faith and belief, because what made me pay the money was, I said, oh, although if I'm scammed, I would have to contact CFA Nigeria Society to regain my money. But and at last, eventually, and it was a great deal, and it was a great step and a great journey for me. The teaching materials and the support, I will rate it 1,000 over 100. Actually, it was the FMA course, because that course alone, David taught us how to build real life model in an organization. So I would say that stood out. I do reference there anytime building a model. And for this step-by-step guide, I think that is suitable for writing the exam, because writing the exam under the time duration, you don't have to build it the way you build real world. So that's it. Okay, the skills I gained: one, financial modeling, how to build 3 statement financial model in a simple manner using the fast standard, and also my skills in Excel, advanced function, which I know I did before joining the academy. So it helped me to enhance those advanced skills in Excel. Yes, I have been building models. Okay, for like 2 months ago, I gained an internship remotely from A-Store Investment Research, which I applied my financial modeling skills there, and also I have built self-projects and I built models for people, and I've applied those things there. Yeah. Following the FMA Academy, like 4 employers reached out to me on LinkedIn, one from Nigeria, one from Australia, and one from UK. For the one in Nigeria, they were looking for a graduate. They reached out to me initially, said, "Oh, Oliver, your profile looks good for this position, and I would like to proceed if you don't mind." And I helped him. So along the conversation, when I was told that it was only for graduates, which I didn't go. For the second one, Australia, so they were going on with a project in the energy sector. So I was reached out to, and I rendered my services to them. And for the UK, he hasn't said anything yet. I don't know. Yeah, I was paid in dollars. I feel good. Well, the FME exam was quite interesting, and it was very transparent, because I had a difficulty at the start. So when I messaged them lively, I was given more time with the time set after me. So I was able to do it on before time, and I passed my exam in one sit. Okay, so I met a quite of professionals, most especially the accountability up. I met people like Mr. Toby, Mr. Shiu, Mr. Taiwo. So I met them, and even our relationship, I maintained professional relationship with them, and I was even referred to some courses by Mr. Toby on sustainable financial development. Okay, so my advice for them for undergraduate mostly, I would say this is a skill you need to have before you graduate, because and it is not a scam. It is a skill that is highly demanded, but many people are not known to it, and it is a market where the supply is few and the demand is very high. So our advice for undergraduate mostly to register for this program and to be globally recognized. Actually, I see myself in the investment banking and private equity in the next, after my graduation, within the range of 5 years. I see myself as contributing to business projects, and I see myself contributing to giving back to my communities, like in form of mentorship, and also I look by advancing students, by the less privileged student, because when I got into the university, there was nobody to help. I took a bold step for my finances, and so when I had the money, I had a little money, I was thinking of what skills do I need, because I observed that graduating with a first class only would not take me to the position I am dreaming of my career goals. So I would advise that students, undergraduates mostly, should opt in for this skill.